Happy Valentine's, everyone. Hope your Valentines are going good. Hope that you send gifts to your boyfriend and girlfriends. I hope y'all dudes out there took your girl out to eat, took her to a movie. Y'all do what y'all do, and happy Valentine's Day. So today we're gonna do Valentine's makeup, my own. I'm not gonna copy other YouTubers' things. I'm gonna be creative, courageous, and be kind about it. We're not gonna go too hard on this. This is just gonna be simple, soft Valentine's makeup, nothing heavy, nothing out of the ordinary. So let's get into it. Now, where is my freaking? We got my Maybelline foundation here. I'm gonna start with that. Hope y'all week went well. Hope school went well with everybody. Hope that you earned some candy in your class. You know, spend time with your family this weekend. Comment down below what you got for Valentine's Day. Okay. Ooh, yes, it blends in. Okay, then I get my sponge and I just make sure everything is in check here. Now we can actually move on from our foundation. This is Maybelline Fit foundation. This is the foundation I use. Where is it? This is my bronzer, LA Color bronzer. This is what I use. I use a whole different brush here. I use something like this. And I go right here. I do it twice because sometimes my blush don't be showing. Yeah, make sure it's close. Make sure it's right on that cheekbone right there. And you know, I'm gonna be very completely honest here. I always put my blush right here. And it's so big, but now I'm gonna try it the right way. You know, try it the right way. Now, we're going to use, where is it? My concealer. This is LA Girls Pro Concealer. This is what I use. For this one, you just squeeze, honey. There you go, just squeeze. That's it, that's all I need to put there. And then also put a little bit here on the eye area. Put it here. I don't do my nose. What is the point of doing my nose? My nose is perfectly fine. I don't mess around with my nose. I'm gonna get this. I'm just gonna do it like this. Then I start dabbing. Then I'll also mix it in. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Make sure you have like a flip mirror, something like this. Something like this type of mirror. So you can have it right here while you cameraing or doing a video like I'm doing. So you go look at it. People will never know that you're actually looking at the mirror. Okay, so we done with that. Now, since just a little bit of powder on here, I'm just gonna not dab it, just circle motion. Not a hard dab, just circular motion. And you'll look at the mirror and you will see that it's mixed in well. Make sure you get right here. Make sure this side right here is covered. Alrighty. Next step, we're gonna do our eyeshadow. I have several brushes I use. We're gonna do some most smoky pink. So remember, it's just circle motion. And then when you got that first circle in, look in the mirror and circle motion. This will take time. Please take your time. And then when that's right there, I just do just like shoop, shoop, shoop. Okay. I'll do another layer. Something always in my eye. I hate that. I hate when I do my makeup. There's always something just want to irritate your eyes all the time. Remember, circle motion, circle motion. I just like to be a little lighter, right? And make sure to look at the mirror. Okay, it looks good to me. I don't know if it looks good for y'all. Remember, slow motion. Nice circle, nice circle. And for this one, it's hard on this eye. Because, you know, this eye right here did not like to cooperate. Okay, it looks good. Now we ready for another color. Revolution. This is what I like to use, Revolution. And I get a black. I take a little bit of this black here, and then I'm gonna mix it up with this pink that we're going to use. Remember, there's also a mirror in this. So, again, take this palette, look at it, because this way it goes up close. Circle. Circle, please, circle. Right here, several layers, or it's not going to come out good. Okay, y'all can see I'm going to do another layer right here again. Oh, his stuff in my eye. Leave me alone. So this is the eye, final look of the eye almost. Now we ready to do the other eye. Please be careful. Remember, circle motion. And while you're doing that, please mix in the pink and the black. Then I'm going to take this white color. Then I'm just going to dab it. Just a dab. There. Okay. People like to do eyebrows. This is my eyebrow tint on my 4-tip brow. I just don't put too much stuff on my eyebrow. This is all you need here. There, that's all I need. Nothing major. Now it is time for our blush. Blush. Let's see if I can do this correctly. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, we got the blush on. All right, blend that in, please. Alrighty, you're almost done. Now it's time for our lips. So for our lips today, we got matte lip gloss. Let's see here. Okay, and that's what's gonna be right there. That's all you need for that piece. And then you're gonna take Thick Drip lip gloss, a new brand that I got. If just right there, right on top of that matte lip gloss. Okay, that's good enough for that. We almost done. Now we can take a lifter. Yeah. And that is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please comment, please share, please like, so you'll never ever miss a lip tutorial from me again, in a long video like this and a very long full-flown makeup tutorial. And thank you and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.